Good evening and welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Today, in a barbaric killing, Pakistan-sponsored terrorists in Anantnag fired and killed a civilian. A flag bearer of democracy, a sarpanch. His name, Ajay Pandita. This happened right after our police and our army and our CRPF eliminated 9 Hizbul Mujahideen terrorists in 24 hours. The terrorists are rattled, ladies and gentlemen. They are deliberately identifying and attacking not just our forces, but the ordinary people of Kashmir. A vortex of violence is erupted by those who know that our forces will spare no one. Pakistani espionage networks are being uprooted. I showed you proof last week. Their terrorists being neutralized systematically, and ceasefire violations are being met with a bullet. So, ladies and gentlemen, even if certain politicians and a lobby tries to tell you that this is the time to be paranoid, do not believe them. Because India is on the front foot. India is on the front foot with counter-terrorist operations in Jammu and Kashmir. India is on the front foot with troops staring down the Chinese at the LAC. India is at the front foot battling this pandemic. It's difficult, but we are on the front foot. And as we unlock, India is in it to win it, with each one of us standing united. Stay united, reject the naysayers, ladies and gentlemen, and believe that our country is on the front foot. That's what we are debating at 10 o'clock tonight, viewers. 10 o'clock this evening. Pak terror wipeout in the valley. At 9 o'clock, on our first debate, the Congress once again openly siding with China. Unbelievable but true. And debate number 3, treat them all is what Republic is saying. This emergency in the hospitals cannot lead to a situation of face-offs. Treat them all, that's debate number 3. And here are the headlines. This Monday evening on the debate tonight. Rahul Gandhi brings back the Dhoka alarm type narrative with 2 pro-China and anti-armed forces tweets.
मैं देश का रक्षा मंत्री होने के नाते मैं कहना चाहता हूं, जो कुछ भी कहना होगा भारत की संसद में खड़े होकर मैं साफ-साफ कहूंगा, 2 टूक कहूंगा, इस देश की जनता को गुमराह नहीं करूंगा.
As the Congress backs China, the Raksha Mantri gives it back to the Vadra Congress for running down our forces. On the other hand, China softens its stance, says border issues will be resolved through diplomatic and military channels. 5 top Hizbul commanders killed in 48 hours, the terror backbone crushed in the valley. Lashkar terrorists murder Sarpanch in Anantnag. Terror sympathizers and army baiters go silent. As the COVID count crosses 2.5 lakhs, hospitals get overburdened, citizens bear the brunt of apathy.